Is the air intake. That's just good old drain pipe. It works. There's the stereo amp. It all still works. Under the front hood is the fuel tank, and we had to use, there it is, the factory gas tank. This is an electric power steering unit. There's a line lock unit right there, so we can take it to the track, warm it up. These are the coolant tubes. There's the factory rad right there, and she works very, very well. Let's fire it up. Are we ready? To the track yet, but it's going to get there. It feels, as you're driving it, as a very low second 12 car, maybe even into the 11s. It has a lot of power. These cars aren't heavy to begin with.